Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete your Brawl Stars account. So as you can see, when we head into our settings, by clicking the hamburger icon, then click the settings, the delete account is not available compared to Clash Royale or the previous versions of Brawl Stars. So in order to delete your account, you need to head first in the help and support. Then it will redirect us to this page. I want you to click the account tab. Then click the access or delete your data. Now click the request deletion of your personal data. Here you will see a page that explains how you can request the deletion of your data or how to finally delete your Brawl Star account. So basically that's it. Once you click this delete my data, you will finally delete your Brawl Star account or your Supercell ID account. So that's how you can delete your Brawl Stars, and thank you for listening.